Good evening, welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the post market analysis. Nifty price action makes a inside bar trading within the range of the previous candle to close at 19,543. Nifty is at a crucial juncture, supports placed at 19,540 and 19,280. For now, resistance placed at 19,700, 19,760. Break below 19,280 decisively would invite the bears in action. Close above 19,750 would delight the bulls and Nifty can see higher levels. Nifty range for now 19,300 to 19,700. Bank Nifty price action clearly indicates weakness. 45,300, 45,400 remains crucial resistance and supply area. Supports placed at 44,200, 44,400 zones. Entire trading session saw a selling pressure to close at 44,540. What next? Great opportunities to emerge in coming days for wealth creation. That's all for now. See you in my next video. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.